वेलकम टू किरण कोचिंग क्लासेस. लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर पाहिला. ॲट ए सी लेवल, atmospheric pressure is called as a normal atmospheric pressure. And atmospheric pressure, it depends upon the height, that is the H, density of air, and acceleration due to gravity. As the height above the Earth's surface increases, then atmospheric pressure goes on a decreasing. Height is measured from the top of a atmosphere. From this, suppose this is a top of atmosphere, and height is measured from this. Here above the Earth's surface, suppose this is the Earth's surface. As we go above the Earth's surface, here this height from this, that is suppose this is the top level of the atmosphere, and from this height becomes minimum, and therefore atmospheric pressure as P equal to H rho G. This atmospheric pressure goes on a decreasing. Also from the Earth's surface at 8 kilometer above the Earth's surface, density of air is minimum. Therefore, here at 8 kilometer above the Earth's surface, that is from sea level, the density is minimum. That is there is a rare air. Therefore, atmospheric pressure is considered to be the zero. That is minimum. Now, suppose at a sea level, here height of atmospheric pressure, it is taken as a 8 kilometer at a sea level, and at a sea level atmospheric pressure is a maximum. हे आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. Today we see absolute pressure and gauge pressure. What is the absolute pressure and what is the gauge pressure ते कन्सिडर करू आपण. Suppose this is a vessel, it contains the water, and above the water in a vessel there is a air medium. For this, that is we have to find the pressure at a depth, that is at a height h below the water surface. For that, consider suppose this is a imaginary cylinder, and here x1 is the height, x2 is also the height, and that is top of the height of top surface of the cylinder, and height of the bottom surface of the cylinder from the reference point. Now therefore height of cylinder, it is equal to h equal to x1 minus x2. Here x1 is greater than x2 from a reference point. Then suppose this imaginary cylinder, it has a base area, that is A is the area. A is area of a imaginary cylinder. Here there are the two faces, that is upper face and bottom face of a cylinder, and F1 bar is the force acting on upper face of a cylinder, and it is due to the here water column above this surface of cylinder, and F2 bar, this F1 bar, it is directed in vertically downward direction. F2 bar is the force, it is acting in upward direction, and this is due to the here water column below this liquid surface, below this surface of a cylinder, and it is acting in a upward direction. Now suppose here gravitational force mg, it is acting in the downward direction. Gravitational force mg, and this gravitational force acting on a water in the cylinder. Gravitational force, it is equal to mg. It is acting in a downward direction, where m is the mass of a water in the cylinder. And these are the forces acting on this imaginary cylinder. Here, as the water is in equilibrium, static equilibrium, that is, it is at a rest. Therefore, these forces must be balanced. In balanced state, we write this equation as F2 equal to F1 plus mg in magnitude. मॅग्निट्यूड मध्ये आपण कन्सिडर केलं F2 हा जो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन मध्ये फोर्स आहे तो कोणी बॅलन्स केला, ह्याने डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शन फोर्सने, किंवा डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शनचा फोर्स कोणी बॅलन्स केला, ह्या अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनच्या फोर्सने बॅलन्स केला. मग इन इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट वी कॅन राइट दिस इक्वेशन ॲज F2 equal to F1 plus mg. Suppose this is the equation 1. Now suppose P1 is the pressure at upper surface of cylinder and at a x1 height, and P2 is the pressure at bottom surface of a cylinder, that is at a height x2. These are the two pressures at x1 and x2. As the A is the area, here as pressure equal to force upon area, therefore here F equal to pressure into area. Therefore F1 equal to P1 into A. F2 equal to force acting on the surface, bottom surface of cylinder. It is equal to P2 into A. एवढा force act होईल. And therefore putting these values also, gravitational force, that is mg. Here mass it is equal to density into volume. Density into volume. Suppose V is the volume. When density is the rho is the density of water or this liquid, and volume equal to area into height of this cylinder, volume of this cylinder. We have to find the volume of this cylinder. A is the area of this base, A, into height of cylinder, h equal to x1 minus x2. A into x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2. Putting these values of F1, F2 and mass of cylinder, that is mass of a water in the cylinder, in equation 1 we get. Therefore equation 1 becomes as F2, it is equal to P2 into A. It is equal to F1, P1 into A, plus mg, putting the value of m, rho into A into x1 minus x2 into acceleration due to gravity. Here dividing by A get cancelled. We get P2 equal to P1 plus rho into in bracket x1 minus x2 into g, किंवा g आपण आधी लिहिला तरी चालेल, रो इंटू जी इंटू x1 मायनस x2. आपल्याला हे इक्वेशन मिळालं, सेकंड इक्वेशन. We get the equation of pressure as P2 equal to P1 plus rho g into x1 minus x2. This equation is valid, that is for the measurement of a pressure below the here liquid surface. That is, this equation is the function of a depth, and it is also valid for the determination of pressure above the liquid surface. That is, this equation becomes as the function of a height. Now we have to find the pressure at a depth h. At a depth h find out करायचं. Now for this purpose, here suppose consider the imaginary cylinder. Its top surface is at a water surface, and your bottom surface is at a depth h. That is, h is the depth. This is the h. Is the depth from the water surface or liquid surface. Then for this purpose, here x1 is at this position, at this level, water surface, and x2 is at a depth h, below the surface. And then for this purpose, here P1 is the pressure at x1. P1 is the pressure at x1, and P1 equal to P0, that is atmospheric pressure. P2 is the pressure at x2. P2 is pressure at x2, and suppose it is equal to P. P is the pressure. Then here at this surface we determine the height, that is depth, from the water surface. Therefore at this water surface x1 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0, and x2 equal to, here below the water surface we measure the height, that is distance of cylinder below the water surface. Therefore it is taken as a negative, and here bottom surface is at a depth h. Therefore x2 equal to minus h. Putting these values in equation 2, we get P2 equal to P. Putting the value P, it is equal to P1 equal to P0 plus rho into G, x1 equal to 0, and x2 equal to minus h. Here minus h, minus, it becomes the plus. Therefore P equal to P0 plus here h rho g, h rho g, a positive way. And therefore we get this equation. This equation is called as a total pressure or absolute pressure, P. It is the absolute pressure or total pressure at depth h, below the water surface or below the liquid surface. And therefore absolute pressure is sum of that is atmospheric pressure and here h rho g, that is the pressure due to the here liquid at a depth h. h depth ला लिक्विड मुळे जे काय प्रेशर आहे ते प्रेशर आणि ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर यांची सम म्हणजे काय आहे, ॲब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर आहे. इट इज द सम ऑफ ॲब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर अँड द प्रेशर ड्यू टू द लिक्विड ॲट अ डेप्थ h. दिस इज द ॲब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर. आणि आता आपल्याला गॉस प्रेशर फाइंड आउट करायचं. गॉस प्रेशर म्हणजे काय आहे, इट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन ॲब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर आणि ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. ॲब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर आणि ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर मधील डिफरन्स इज द गॉस प्रेशर. इट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन ॲब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर अँड atmospheric pressure, and from this equation we get P minus P0, it is equal to h rho g. हे equation आहे and it is called as a Gauss pressure. Gauss pressure. This is a Gauss pressure, difference between absolute pressure and atmospheric pressure. हे equation आपण find out केलं. ॲब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर सुद्धा काढलं आणि गॉस प्रेशर सुद्धा काढलं. आता हे जे इक्वेशन्स आहे, इट इज ऑल्सो ॲप्लिकेबल, दिस इक्वेशन ऑल्सो ॲप्लिकेबल टू फाइंड द प्रेशर अबोव द लिक्विड लेवल दॅट इज ॲट अ हाईट एच हे फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी सुद्धा यूज होतं. मग सपोज फॉर दिस पर्पज वी कन्सिडर ॲज द सिलेंडर अबोव द वॉटर सरफेस. वॉटर सरफेसच्या अबोव आपण कन्सिडर करू. Here this is the cylinder above the water surface and here is the x1 level, this is the x2 level. And therefore for this purpose here this is the air and this is the water. Suppose here height of this cylinder it is equal to d, that is from this x2 equal to 0 consider करताय water level line आणि x1 इक्वल टू काय कन्सिडर करताय d, म्हणजे x1 मायनस x2 इट इज इक्वल टू काय येणार आहे d येणार. देन हिअर द कन्सिडरिंग दिस इज इक्वल टू p नॉट दॅट इज प्रेशर ॲट अ वॉटर सरफेस दॅट इज लिक्विड सरफेस. देअरफॉर p2 इक्वल टू p नॉट असं कन्सिडर करताय. आणि अप्पर सरफेस वरती जे प्रेशर आहे p1 इट इज इक्वल टू कन्सिडर करू आपण p, हे प्रेशर कन्सिडर करू. मग पुटिंग दिस व्हॅल्यूज दॅट इज p1 इक्वल टू p, पुटिंग द व्हॅल्यू p1 इक्वल टू p, p2 इक्वल टू p नॉट and x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to d in equation 2. We get p2 equal to p naught, it is equal to p1 equal to p plus rho g into d minus 0. And therefore we can write as this equation p naught equal to p plus rho g into d. And therefore pressure at distance d above the water surface it is equal to p naught minus rho d g. This is the pressure above the water surface at a distance d and it is equal to p naught minus rho d g. D is the distance from the liquid surface or water surface. This is the pressure and this equation is valid for measurement of pressure below the liquid surface and also above the liquid surface. Below the liquid surface then this equation is the function of a depth. And if we find the above liquid surface then it becomes the function of a altitude, that is the height above the earth surface. हे आपण पाहिलं ॲब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर अँड प्रेशर गॉज. बाकीचे पॉईंट आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पाहू.